first video for 2022. I want to talk about tents. I want to show you the one I had last year. It's a Naturehike Cloud Up one. I'll set that up and show it to you. Okay, here it is, guys. The Naturehike Cloud 1. Do a walk around here. Got adjustable guidelines. This is the one I used on several trips last year. I like it. It's a good tent. Outside of one thing, I'll show that to you right here. It does come with footprint. Here's the inside of it. Just one person. It's got a pocket on each side. The only thing I don't like about it is it's a head entry. Seems like you have to crawl over stuff or crawl your way out of it. The new tent I got, I think it'll be a lot better. Here it is, guys. It does have aluminum poles. It's a one-piece pole construction. Does have a hook for a lantern or wherever you want to hang there. If it was a side entry, it'd be even a better tent. Okay, guys, here it is. It's the Naturehike Spider 1. It's another one-man tent. They're calling this their biker edition. We'll get it set up. I'll show it to you. Okay, guys, here it is, the Naturehike Spider 1. The new tent for 2022. One side has a vestibule. I believe the Cloud Up one was about 3 pounds, and this one is about the same, I believe. I'll get the rain fly off and we can check out the inner tent. One thing I did want to touch on, both tents have a vent on each end. Didn't show you on the hike one. So we got a little vent on the end. Okay, guys, here's the inner skin. It's aluminum pole construction like the other one. It's all one piece. The reason for buying this one, it was a side entry. With me having a bad back, it was just so much harder to get out of the Cloud Up one. Here's the inside. It's got one pocket back there in the corner. And a hook to hang a lantern. It'd be nice if it would have had 2 pockets, but yeah, that's it. believe when I bought the Cloud Up one, I want to say it was about 125. And the new Spider one, it was only 99. So, okay guys, thanks for watching. I'll leave a link in the description for both tents. Any questions, comment below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.